Hi everyone. So once we have started the Denodo data cataloging services from the platform center, control platform center, we can launch that hyperlink on that, the platform center, and it will open this portal on the web browser. So we'll log in with the admin credentials. So this is your home page of the Denodo data catalog. So on the very first page, you can just directly go and start doing your search. So let me just search a name field, which is very common in very common something which is used in columns. So if I search, I see all the tables which has something with name in it, with a field name in it. So see department name. So that was the very basic search criteria. Then there is a browse, so you can also browse. So you can expand by departments and the folder type, base views. So these are all the views I have created earlier. So I can search on based on those views, and these are those integrated views. And if you are interested in looking at the data lineage for something, so let me expand on. So if I want to see the data lineage of this view, how I have created this view, employee seniority, I'll go over to this tab. And this is a pretty simple one. So let me open up something else. IV customer orders. So this is the view, how I have created this view. So this view is being created from two Oracle tables, which is orders and order item, and another table called customer, and I think this is a web service. So it also gives us a data lineage. Relationships does not have anything. Now I can query, I can create queries here. I can place columns, drag and drop them, create filters here. Like this, and query the data and put order by and run those queries and also save those queries. And you can save your queries here. One interesting thing here is that if you go in administration, in catalog management, you can create categories and tags. So if I go into categories, I've created this category, so you can, however the categories you want to create categorization, it could be a data steward who can decide the categorizations by projects or by the subject, data subject, or whatever he wants. So I just created for an for an example, I created this HR and two subcategories in HR as employee and location, and then I can use these categories. So you can search the data by categories also, and also then you can create tags. For the sake of this example, I created two tags called PII, like personal identifiable information and sensitive information. So I use them somewhere. So if I want to identify what are the tables which have some PII information in them, so I can just go and search by the tag. So I found this tag, so let me click on that, and this is one table where I have created these two tags, customer. Okay, just similarly I can search on those categorization also. So if I create HR, so I'll hit. So these are some tables which has some they have HR as part of their table name, but also I found one category. So if I click on this category, I haven't designated anything. What else did I have in this category? Employee and location. Let me search by employee. So I haven't assigned this categorization, but we can do that, and I'll show you how. So we can go into the folder So let's say we have this table called connection events, and so first of all, I can provide the data dictionary here. I can go at every description, I can click on this table and provide the description of this column. This is the column level description. So event date, date when event occurred, save, source IP, IP address of source, IP address of source, save. And then I can add those categories. So let me add this category, and I can expand my categories and choose which category I can. So for, let me just define employee and save, and let me say it has the sensitive information, so I have defined that as well. And okay, now I can save it. So now if I want to search by employee and click on employee, I see this table connection event, and I can click on it, and by the description also I can do a search. So if I just write I found this table right away. We can do indexing as well, and we can define so if I go to search, we can query the database as well for those tables only where we have done indexing. Thank you everyone.